Kitchen and bath environments need a caulk labeled specifically for those spaces because everyday household silicone is formulated to resist constant moisture and mold and to remain flexible under temperature changes. A kitchen and bath silicone caulk uses a polymer blend and fungicide that actively inhibits mold and mildew growth, which prevents black staining and odor at grout lines and seams. It also cures to a durable, elastic bead that expands and contracts with temperature shifts from hot showers or steam, reducing the chance of splits that let water reach substrates. Choose a neutral cure silicone when working with natural stone or sensitive finishes, since it avoids corrosive acetic acid fumes that can etch those surfaces. Prepare the joint by removing old caulk, drying the area thoroughly, and cleaning with a mild detergent or isopropyl alcohol to remove soap scum and oils for better adhesion. Apply steady pressure with a caulk gun and smooth the bead within 10 minutes, using a wet finger or a silicone finishing tool to form a concave profile that sheds water. Remove masking tape immediately after tooling to keep edges crisp. Allow at least 24 hours for a full cure before exposing the bead to heavy water, and follow manufacturer cure time guidance when planning project sequencing. Common mistakes include using a general-purpose acrylic caulk that looks fine initially but fails in wet areas, so swap to a labeled kitchen and bath silicone for tubs and sinks. Another issue is poor surface preparation. If the joint is not clean and dry, adhesion will fail. So always remove residual sealant and allow surfaces to dry completely before applying new caulk. A third frequent problem is overtooling or fingerprinting after the skin has formed, which creates gaps and a ragged finish, so tool the bead immediately in one smooth pass and wipe excess with a single clean cloth. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by letting us list projects and browse profiles so people can find workers near them. We also help contractors get work by giving us a place to show services and respond to homeowner requests. And our site hosts an active discussion community where users share experiences and advice.